Here at Axminster Tools, we understand your community matters to you, and it matters to us too. During the past 50 years, we have met countless people who have dedicated their lives to woodworking and want to share their passion to the communities around them. At Axminster Tools, we want to help those who help others. Whether it's funding tools, giving a community project a boost, or developing skills for the future, we're here for you. The Axminster Tools Community Grant is an annual funding scheme to support woodworking, craft and creative communities, all striving to make a difference to those around them, and to ensure traditional crafts live on for generations to come. If you're a charity or non-profit community organisation related to woodworking, then we want to hear from you. To apply for the next Axminster Tools Community Grant, simply share your story with us. Follow the link for full entry details and T's and C's. Apply now and share your story with us.